everybody, and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. This is Brian, and today we are going to be drawing Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. If you haven't seen this movie, it's a wonderful movie. The first and the second ones are very good. I've watched them with my family, and you will not be disappointed. So if you have seen this movie and you want to learn how to draw Mavis, or if you want to learn how to draw Mavis's dad, Dracula, then you are in the right spot, my friend. On an earlier video, we have drawn Dracula, if you want to do that one, and guess what? You're here already to draw Mavis, so let's get started. So, Mavis's face is already starting to come together. Look how beautiful it looks. I'm sure yours is looking just as good. Once we color in the eyeballs here, and we add a face and the nose and all those good things, it's going to really look good. There we are, and I think that curve of her mouth is the one thing that really makes her stand out as you should. Little Meow Whiskerson at the bottom left of your screen seems like he agrees. Of course, at the top of her head, we have to draw a little straight hair coming here and there. Look how fast and easy it was to start the face. It's a scary part. It's the part no one wants to start because they're afraid that it's going to look bad. But it actually is pretty easy if you follow the couple steps that I've put in front of you. What is the hardest part about drawing a cartoon for you guys? Is it the face? Is it the hands? Is it the body? There's always one thing with every single person that really gets to you and is difficult. So now we're going to start making the clothes, and her body is going to start coming together. She's got a little itty-bitty waist. And as you can see, her mouth goes a little bit higher up, and she's got a pronounced chin. We're going to add a little bit of a bend to her dress and to the back, and curve it all in, and towards the bottom make it real skinny. So how's it been going for all you guys out there, and all you gals? Have you done anything cool lately? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. Now, I can't remember. Does Mavis drink blood, or does she eat regular food? I'll have to go back and watch the movie so I can find out. I know she's got fangs, and she can turn into a little bat, and she flies around with her dad. And you know, if you really wanted to, you could take this character, change the shape of the face, or change the hairdo, make it a different dress, and completely change this character around and make it your own. This could be, I don't know, something you make up. So that's a good thing about drawing, is a lot of the things in drawing, you know, if you change or tweak one or two things, it can become your own. It can take a life of its own, and you can have a brand new character. And before you know it, you'll be creating characters that just have never existed before. And that's pretty much how drawing is for most artists. Alright, so we're going to draw some beautiful flowers on her dress to make it stand out a little bit. Show her gentler side. Look how awesome her dress looks. We're going to add a few more details because, as you know, details make the character. A couple flowers on there. Feel free to keep going with the flowers. Heck, you could even make a field of daisies behind her. As we come to a close here with drawing Mavis, I just want to remind you guys to please like, subscribe, and comment. I love talking to you guys, and I love that you're here with me, so if you want to see other videos, make sure that you subscribe so that they will pop up for you. And liking the video always helps the channel out, so thank you guys so much for participating and being here. I hope you have learned something. Alright, we're going to draw some eyelashes, which everybody needs. And we're almost done. Look how amazing she looks. Beautiful. There we go. Mavis is complete. All we need to do now is color her in. You can use any colors you want. These are the colors that I have chosen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed Rainbow Brush. This is Brian once again, and I will see you guys at the next drawing. See you next time.